Let's learn a little bit about Photoshop's shape tools, which are right here. The rectangle tool, the rounded rectangle tool, the ellipse tool, the polygon tool, the line tool, and the custom shape tool. They all work basically the same way. So let's create a coupon. For example, I'm going to start with my rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle around this, and here I have my fill color, my stroke color. So for example, I could fill it with a different color if I wanted to. I can change the stroke color. I can change the line to, say, a dotted line or a dashed line. I can change the width of the line, so let's do 4 pixels or 12 pixels. But actually I think I'll go more for like 2 pixels. When you use a shape tool in Photoshop CC 2015, it comes up with a live property. So for example, you can round the corners here, which would do the same thing as a rounded rectangle tool you can do here. You can also unlock these and do each side individually. You have quite a few options you can play around with, and you can even change the size of it on the fly. It's editable again. Now we have that. Let's turn on the insides. And we have that. Let's go get a Polygon Tool, and let's create a star. So a star has 5 sides, and we'd want to come in here and make sure that star is check marked, and then we can indent the sides by however much we want, and we can choose the color of our fill. I think I'll choose yellow there. 3 points. So here I'm growing a star. It's not quite where I want it, so if I hold my space bar down, I can move that star and angle it just the way that I want it. And we can change its border if we desire to. Finally, let's go and use a custom shape tool. So I have quite a few custom shapes here. You're probably not seeing that many because I went into this little gear icon and selected all of them and then pressed OK. And then I'm going to get this pair of scissors. I'll create a new layer with that. Let's do the fill color with a dark red and say we don't want any stroke with that one. Hold my shift key down to constrain it proportionally. And it's behind the other shape, so I'm going to move it up here. And I'll get my move tool, press the V key, move it right there. And I will add a mask to this layer and get my brush tool with black paint. And I will cut off a part of that shape, move it into place. So that's a quick preview of the shape tools. The line tool has the ability to put arrowheads on the ends. Very powerful tool.